Hey everyone! So, it's been a very long time since I have graced the YouTube platform. About 10 months, 11 months, who knows. I'm okay. Well, I've been through some personal things in my personal life that has sort of stopped me from being on the YouTube platform and being with you guys and doing my videos each day, each week. I've missed it. And I want to start this video by saying thank you to those who have reached out and said, "Hey Gil, hope you're alright. Hope everything's going well." Yeah, so thank you to those guys. So yeah, I've had personal things happening in my life, my family life. Yeah. But I do want to start off this video by saying, if you are struggling with mental health through this COVID crisis, through whatever happens in your personal life, it's okay, and this is definitely for the guys, it's okay to go out there and find help and get the help you need to get you back on track. Yeah. It's definitely something that I've needed over the last months. But yeah, go out there. If you need help, find it. Talk to your doctor, talk to your friends. There's up-to-date amounts of services out there that'll help you. And yeah, just do it. Anyway, this video was started 10 months ago. So you'll probably see, what it was like 10 months ago. Yeah, and I've decided I'm going to finish it and I'm going to put up a video, and yeah. Anyway, so I'm back. Yeah, and I'm going to be doing my videos, hopefully weekly, if not fortnightly. You'll either see me here at the shop, or I have a new premises, which I'll hopefully set up bigger later. Hence you'll probably see the moving boxes. Yes, anyway, I'm back. Welcome back. It's good to see you all. Anyway, let's get this project done.
I have a bit of, what is it, eucalyptus root burl thing, and I'm going to turn it into something for a little horror film, I think. And yes, it's been a while, but hello everyone, Merry Christmas. Let's turn this.
Ooh, hello. Shop supervisor. This is Sassy. She is very happy. I can't remember her breed right now. But yes. You know, fill these holes with some epoxy. Let's do that now. 10 months later. Oh dear, it's still here. Let's see what we've got. Oi! A few cracks. Crack. I also have a new shop supervisor. I'll show you her in a second. Yes. The hole is still drilled. Good. Let's get some progress. I'm going to actually fill in these holes with some epoxy and some colour. And that's what I'm going to do now. Let's do it.
It is full. It is jade. Now we'll let it dry.
It's all dry. There's a few spots though. He's a nice little guy. Like I said, there's a few spots that need to be filled. I'll do that now. Okay, we have filled holes. Let's get rid of them. Oh, bother.
Before I hollow it, I'm just going to heat it with some sanding sealer. It'll bring out the nice colour, so you can actually see what it'll look like once we're fully done. Woo. hollow. Put that basket. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm an idiot! That's alright. Hey! So what I stuffed up then? That's the hollowing.
Alright, at this point in time, I'm happy with where I've got it hollowed out to. I have done an Instagram post about it. It was originally had an idea of putting in a top for it. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. So I've rounded off the entry, or the hole. The hole is now rounded. Round hole for the hollow form. Still a bit of sawdust in there. Man glitter! Ooh, man glitter everywhere! I wasn't sure I was going to show you guys this. This is my scientific way of knowing how thick a wall of a hollow form is. So I come in, fine, and pull my fingers in. It's that thick. I'm not going to make this a thin one simply because it's a burl, it's old, and I don't know whether it'll go boom or whether it'll be fine. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to finish this thing, and then I'm going to finish this video, and then start on the next one. So I'm going to finish it with feed and wax. It's been sanded to 1200. That's enough for me. Feed and wax. So, end of this video, which took 10 months in the making. I have my root, ball, burl, hollow form with the jade metallic inlay. Thank you for sticking around this time again. Yes, I'm back. I'd like to say, yes, I'm back. Guil the Bearded Woodworker is back, yes. So, this was a fun project, and this was actually really good to actually get back out into the workshop, doing some wood turning. Yeah, because life has been a bit hectic at the moment, the last 10 months. So yeah, say it again, like I said at the start of the video, if you're not feeling well, whether physically, mentally, whatever, go and see someone. Yeah, that's my advice. Anyway, I will see you all very soon. Stay awesome, everyone. Remember to be awesome. Because you, all of you, yes, even you sitting on the couch, you are awesome. See you soon. Bye.